Welcome to Trending Health. Today we're exploring a topic that's crucial for your health, especially as we age. We're talking about proteinuria, a condition where there's too much protein in your urine, and how certain vitamins can help combat this issue and promote kidney healing. We'll cover 4 vitamins that are particularly helpful, and make sure to stick around because the last one could be a real game changer for your kidney health. Let's start by understanding why proteinuria is such a big deal. Your kidneys are like sophisticated filters, cleaning your blood and keeping essential proteins in your body. When these filters start to leak, allowing proteins to escape into your urine, it's a red flag that your kidneys might be in trouble. Proteinuria isn't just a minor inconvenience, it can be an early warning sign of serious kidney disease. Left unchecked, it can lead to a cascade of health issues, including 1. Increased risk of heart disease. 2. Fluid retention and swelling. 3. Increased blood pressure. 4. Progression to kidney failure. The scary part? Proteinuria often has no symptoms in its early stages. That's why it's crucial to be proactive about your kidney health, especially as you get older. Regular checkups and urine tests can catch this condition early, but today we're focusing on what you can do at home to support your kidneys naturally. Now let's get to the heart of our discussion. The 4 specific vitamins that can aid in reducing proteinuria and supporting kidney function. These aren't miracle cures, but rather powerful allies in your journey to better kidney health. 1. Vitamin E. First up is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Benefits of vitamin E for kidney health. It reduces inflammation in the kidneys, which can help slow the progression of kidney disease. Vitamin E has been shown to lower proteinuria in both diabetic and non-diabetic kidney disease patients. It may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by certain medications. The recommended daily intake of vitamin E is 15 milligrams for adults. Good sources include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy green vegetables. However, if you're considering supplements, always consult with your healthcare provider first, as high doses can interact with certain medications. 2. Vitamin C. Our second kidney-friendly vitamin is the well-known immune booster, vitamin C, but its benefits extend far beyond fighting colds. How vitamin C supports kidney health. It's a potent antioxidant that can help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Vitamin C may help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. Some studies suggest it can help reduce proteinuria, especially when combined with vitamin E. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C is 65 to 90 milligrams for adults. You can get it from citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and many other fruits and vegetables. While vitamin C is generally safe, people with kidney problems should consult their doctor before taking high-dose supplements, as it can contribute to kidney stone formation in some cases. 3. B-complex vitamins. Next up are the B-complex vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folate. These work together to support overall kidney function and may help reduce proteinuria. The kidney benefits of B vitamins. They help lower homocysteine levels in the blood, which is often elevated in people with kidney disease and can contribute to cardiovascular problems. B vitamins support proper nerve function, which is often impaired in advanced kidney disease. Some studies have shown that B vitamin supplementation can help slow the progression of kidney disease and reduce proteinuria. The recommended daily intakes vary for each B vitamin, but you can find them in whole grains, lean meats, eggs, legumes, and leafy green vegetables. B vitamin supplements are generally safe, but again, always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have kidney issues. 4. Vitamin D. Finally, we come to vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, but it's much more than that. This powerhouse nutrient plays a crucial role in managing proteinuria and kidney health. Here's how vitamin D helps. It regulates the renin-angiotensin system, which controls blood pressure and fluid balance, both critical for kidney function. Vitamin D deficiency is common in people with kidney disease and is associated with increased proteinuria. Supplementing with vitamin D has been shown to reduce protein excretion in urine in several studies. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for adults is 600 to 800 IU, but people with kidney issues might need higher doses under medical supervision. You can get vitamin D from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods, or through supplements. Now, you might be wondering which of these vitamins packs the biggest punch when it comes to combating proteinuria. While all four are important, research suggests that vitamin D might be the superstar in this lineup. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that vitamin D supplementation reduced proteinuria by up to 47% in patients with chronic kidney disease. That's a significant improvement, but it's not the only evidence supporting the benefits of vitamin D for kidney health. Additional studies have shown that vitamin D not only helps reduce proteinuria, but also supports overall kidney function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. It does this by influencing the renin-angiotensin system, a critical hormonal system that regulates blood pressure and fluid balance, both of which are key to maintaining healthy kidney function. Chronic kidney disease is often linked to imbalances in this system, making vitamin D's regulatory role even more crucial for those at risk of kidney damage. Moreover, research suggests that maintaining optimal vitamin D levels may also help slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing fibrosis, or the scarring of kidney tissue, which can contribute to the loss of kidney function over time. This makes vitamin D a versatile ally in protecting and preserving kidney health. One patient, Sarah, a 65-year-old retiree, shared her experience. After being diagnosed with proteinuria, my doctor suggested I start taking vitamin D supplements. Within 6 months, my protein levels had dropped dramatically, and I felt more energetic than I had in years. It was like someone had turned the lights back on in my body. Sarah's story is just one of many, but it aligns with what numerous researchers are discovering. Vitamin D's powerful effects extend beyond the kidneys. It's also known to boost immune function, support bone health, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications, which often accompany chronic kidney disease. With its wide-ranging benefits, vitamin D continues to stand out as a critical nutrient in both kidney health and overall well-being. For those with kidney concerns, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels, whether through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplements, could be a simple yet powerful step towards better health outcomes. As we wrap up, let's recap the 4 key vitamins we've discussed today that can help combat proteinuria and support your kidney health. 1. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. 2. Vitamin C, another antioxidant that supports overall kidney health and may help lower blood pressure. 3. B-complex vitamins, essential for proper nerve function and may help slow the progression of kidney disease. 4. Vitamin D, the superstar that regulates kidney function and has shown impressive results in reducing proteinuria. Remember, these vitamins are not a replacement for medical treatment, but they can be valuable additions to your kidney health toolkit. Incorporating foods rich in these vitamins into your diet or considering supplements under medical supervision can be a proactive step towards better kidney health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with kidney health issues or proteinuria? How have dietary changes or supplements affected your health? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experience could be invaluable to others on similar health journeys. Remember, your kidneys work hard for you every day. It's time to return the favor by giving them the support they need. Here's to your health.